Yon World, was the deal? It's your boy Original, back with another one for y'all. Check this out today on my YouTube channel. We going over how to make money online as a graphic designer without any skill at all. Go ahead, leave a like, comment, subscribe, turn on post notifications for your boy Yon World. Now today on my channel, I'm about to share how I make money online as a graphic designer without having any graphic design skills. For the people who don't know how to do any graphic design whatsoever, and you want to make money online as a graphic designer, but you just don't know how to create the images, the text, how to mesh it all together, and you just want a simple solution, a simple machine really that you can plug in information and it just output all of the different designs and styles and things that you can pick and choose from, and you can start a business model around this. I'm about to teach y'all exactly how to do this. Now, in order to be a graphic designer on the internet, make money without any skill, you need to have a membership on this website called placeit.net, right? When you sign up on placeit.net, you have access to thousands of professional logo templates. It's more than just templates. It's video designs. You can make mock-ups if you already have a logo, right? You make mock-ups of it on shirts, coffee mugs, masks, some of everything, man. The designs, you can make album covers, you can make banner ads, birthday designs, Instagram stories, flyers, t-shirt labels, Twitter posts, right? You could do videos, you could do YouTube introduction videos, videos to gifts, t-shirt videos, promo videos, gaming videos, animated logos, some of everything on this website, man. And I'm about to show y'all just how it looks, just so you can see the quality of this website, right? And it's a whole business model around this because this stuff is in demand. People want good quality looking logos. People want video introductions on YouTube, and once you have this as your source to go to create all of these different renders, all of these different projects for your clients, right? You could provide a service and you can create a business around this. Now, the membership on placeit.net, it only costs like $89. I think it's like $89 for a lifetime membership, and you can come on here as much as you want, download as many images, as many videos, as many mock-ups as you want for your clients, for yourself, right? And you can make money off of this website, after you pay that $80 subscription. You can make that back in a day. So just to show you an example of how this website works, right? I'm gonna type in my brand name, Yon World, right? And after you type in your brand name, whatever it is, mine is Yon World, right? You can see it will allow you to select what industry you wanted to, kind of tailor your brand name around, right? If you already have a specific brand, like say if you're in fitness or if you're in finance, right? You can tailor your logo around images that are similar to what your brand is all about. But today I just want to show you all of the logos, show you what this is capable of when it comes to brand and logo design, right? Now, this is just one sector. I'm gonna show y'all a lot of different sides to this website and just show y'all the full possibilities. And I'm also gonna go over the multiple different platforms which you can make money simply by making designs from Placeit. So right now, Placeit, what it's doing is it's rendering all of the different graphics for the name Yon World. Now, I put it in all categories, so it's gonna show categories from gaming, it's gonna show categories from agriculture, categories from health. It's gonna show some of everything. You could always tailor it down and make it way specific, but I just want to show y'all what it's capable of, just to show y'all all of the different graphics, how it will look, right? And you can come on here and you can edit any one of these graphics you see, right? As we go down, it just loads and renders different designs, right? And it tells you, like, this is a design for a candle, this is a design for gaming, this is a design for a clothing brand. It's loading right here. If we click on any one of these, like say if we clicked on this gaming logo, right? We click on this gaming logo, you can change everything about it, right? If you don't want the gaming to be shown, you could remove that or change the text completely. You could change the logo image behind the name, right? You could also change the background colors, the main colors, right? You can do whatever you want to this image and make it exactly how you want it to be. And after you get it exactly how you want it to be, you can download the image, right? Once you download the image, they'll send you an email, but if you just wait right here, you'll get the link to use it, right? And it'll come as a ping file, right? And you could use it, on videos. You can add it in on t-shirts, and it's a high quality image that can be expanded, it can be minimized. So I really like this website, right? Also, you can do things like make YouTube intros and videos for people, brands, and their logos. Like, a lot of people need this on their videos, and they always want to know. People always want to know how to make YouTube introduction videos. So this skill right here, to be able to create this for clients, is in very high demand. Definitely on you for YouTubers, right? And you can advertise your services on Instagram, Twitter, Facebook, right? But some of the platforms I use are Fiverr. I use Fiverr to advertise on all of my digital services. I use Fiverr. They have a lot of organic traffic, so after you post your ad, it's up there forever, and you will just be getting sales, random sales all through the day, all through the week, depending on how many rated reviews you have. Fiverr will promote you more once you start getting more sales. Once you start getting more reviews, Fiverr will show your page first. Now, another website I use is called Redbubble. Now, Redbubble has a similar way of promoting. They use email marketing to promote, and they use Google Ads to promote. So you will automatically be getting sales after you make your products or your renders on Redbubble. Now, you can see all of the different designs you can make. It's so many different templates, right? And you can make all of this. You can click on any one of these templates and start editing around it. That's what I like about placeit.net. It's real simple to use and change and edit any one of these templates you see. So if you like the way any one of these is designed, you can add your own image, you can add your own text, right? And you could also change these for clients and show them what you can create. And that's what I like about this website the most, right? So you can list all of these services on Fiverr, you can list them on Redbubble, or you can create your own website and list these products through your website. So it's your boy Yon World. I just wanted to bring this to your attention, how to make money online as a graphic designer without any skill at all. All you have to do is get a subscription on Placeit, start marketing yourself on Instagram, Facebook, Twitter. You can list advertisements for your service on Fiverr. You could also list different products and makeups you make from this website, Placeit, on Redbubble, and get sales automatically, right? Fiverr and Redbubble, you will automatically get sales. Or you could build your own website and promote yourself that way, right? And offer all of your different services through your website and promote your website to different people and clients, and have them go through your website to purchase your services, right? But it's very easy to be a graphic designer. You can even design album covers on here, so yeah, man, you can make a whole YouTube, or you can make a whole Instagram page just saying you design album covers, right? And make a lot of money, because you could charge $100 per cover, right? But they don't cost you nothing to make after you pay the $80 subscription fee. So it's a win-win. I just want to put y'all up on game. It's your boy Yon World. Make sure you leave a like, make sure you comment, make sure you subscribe. I'm out. Peace.